create a subclass every single time. Now, one of the problems with creating a subclass is you only get one superclass, right? So that's a little limiting there. And if I ever want to do something different, I have to create a new instance of the walker every single time. So if a new instance of a sum walker, then an instance of the average walker, then an instance of the other thing, whatever. So what we can do is, instead of having the hook be a method that we override, what could we do with it? Any ideas? We could define an interface. What's the interface going to do for us? Multiple interface inheritance. That's not quite where I'm going. But if I don't want to have it overridden inside of here, so making a subclass, where do I have to define it? Everybody say it with me? Somewhere else, right? So we're going to use an interface, but we're going to create that one method in the interface called doSomething. And we can have multiple doSomething guys. And then once we have that, we can take that object, this external object that's just the doSomething, and pass it into this. So we can either set it as a field or pass it as a parameter to the method. And then what that lets you do is keep the same walker and just pass in different doSomething doers. So let's make some doSomething doers here. I'm going to call this walker 2. And in walker 2, we're going to take this guy out, which is going to make him break for the moment. And then we're going to define an interface called doSomething. This is going to be an awful name. doSomething doer. Let's just call it something doer. And inside of there, I'm going to put that hook method.